Hi, you guys, it's Miss Gilbert. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark. And if you're new to Adobe Spark, you need to log in with a school account. You can create a new account, but what you really need to do is continue with Google and use your school Google address to create your account. I, of course, already have an account. And as you can see, Adobe Spark gives me a lot of different options. If I come up here to the plus symbol, it's going to ask me if I want to create a flyer, Instagram stories or posts, Facebook posts, web pages, videos. I use Adobe Spark a lot of times for really simple, easy videos. I don't really need this page because it's just a lead-in. Right up here, we have all these different sort of like pre-built templates for the stories. I don't really use those very often. I'm going to click right here where it says Start from Scratch. And it's going to take it a second to pull up the Movie Maker. All right, if you're new to Adobe Spark, I recommend that you watch this little 1-minute video because it really gives you a lot of helpful tips to help you get this work done. So here I am now inside my video maker, and it's like a great little slideshow. Right here, we have choices between full screen, split screen, caption, and title for our layout. And it's going to allow me to add a video, text, photo, or icon. So if I start with text, all right, there's my text. I can make my text bigger or smaller. And if I don't like my text at all, I can just throw it away. All right. I can also add a photo. And I can come right here and it gives me great choices. I can upload my own photo. I can connect it to Google Drive and pull a photo out of my Google Drive. Or I can find free photos, and these are photos that are online with a Creative Commons license, so it's okay for you to use them. Of course, I love cats, so I'm going to search for cats. And oh, look at this cutie. I'm going to add him in there. And maybe I think he's taken up a little too much space on the screen, so I'm going to click this, and I'm going to shrink him down a little bit. Oh, what an adorable little guy. All right, now I'm going to come here, and I'm going to add a second slide. And I can come here to split screen, and that way I can add something on both sides of the screen. So I can come here and I can add another one of my cutie kitties. And I can add my text. Let's capitalize. I don't want to get in trouble with my ELA teacher. Now, if I don't want to have just my text on the page, this red microphone right here, when I click and hold the microphone, it records my voice. What a cutie. What a cutie. What a cutie. All right, there we go. Now, if I don't like this blue background, I can come right up here to theme and I can change to any of these other themes. So now I have this beautiful pink. There's a lot of choices. I can resize things. If I want it to be square, like the size of an Instagram post, I can do that. I can change out the different music. And if you're asking about the music, when I come and play my video right here, what a cutie. You can see that I have music playing over the top of it. Once again, you can do a lot of fun things in Adobe Spark. I encourage you to come in here and play around. It's a great way to do an assignment that's just a little different. And it's a really easy way to make a video if you maybe don't have a video camera. All right, once again, good luck. And if you need anything, shoot me an email.